Okay, so we have a Qolsys IQ2 keypad and a DSC. This is a Power G secondary keypad. I'm going to show you how to tie this in as a secondary. So we're going to slide that down. We're going to click Settings, Advanced Settings.
User code.
2222 should be your code to get into the programming. If it's not, ask your installer or dealer. We're going to click Installation, Devices, Security Sensors, Auto Learn, and we're going to hold down the 1 and the star here simultaneously. Okay, it's requesting to be added. Click OK. Keypad. We're going to change the sensor name. We're going to go to Garage Keypad. Click Add New.
Sensor added successfully.
Okay, we are good to go.